Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how you can take a photo or take a picture in Sausage Man game. In Sausage Man, if you're looking for a way to take a picture, then first of all, go ahead and launch open Sausage Man application on your device. Now once you open up the game, go ahead and join into a match. After you're inside the match, go ahead and tap on the camera icon at the top right corner, this one, and you'll be able to see you are inside the camera mode. From here, you can zoom in and zoom out on your camera by dragging the slider on the left. You can also make your character pose by clicking on this icon over here on the right, select the actions, and then once you're ready to capture the photo, click on this camera icon on the right. Now your photo has been taken. You can share your images to Facebook, WhatsApp, or Instagram. And that's it. You have successfully taken a photo in Sausage Man. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.